Welcome back, guys, and today I have with me the Fire HD 10. Let me start off by saying that this thing is a complete fingerprint magnet. You might want to invest in a screen protector that won't show as much fingerprints, but if you're not bothered by that sort of thing, then it's not a big deal, and it only shows up mostly when the tablet is completely off. There are two options available, 32 gigs and 64 gigs. You can also purchase the productivity bundle, which basically comes with a keyboard case and 12 months of Microsoft 360 Personal. Right here on the back we have the 5 megapixel rear facing camera, and right above that we have the volume up and down buttons. Next to that we have the power button. And right next to the power button we have two built-in microphones. Next to that we have the USB Type-C charging port. Next to the charging port we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left side you'll find the expandable storage slot, which supports a micro SD card up to 1 terabyte. Right here we have the front-facing 2 megapixel camera. And right above that, on the side of the device, we have a speaker grill on this end of the device and another one on the opposite end. The biggest upgrade we got in this year's Fire tablet is definitely the RAM. It's been upgraded from 2 gigs to 3 gigs. And there is a big difference in how this thing performs. Remember, this is a budget tablet, so the build quality is not the most premium available. However, what you will get is a budget tablet with excellent performance. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed for more content just like this one. Also, hit that thumbs up button. Until next time, have a good one.